Hello and welcome to our video. If you are looking to add some visual interest and personality to your garden, consider incorporating some decorative elements such as flower beds, stones, and succulents, log compositions, or cactus gardens. Flower beds are a classic choice for garden decoration and can be customized to fit any style or theme. Consider using different types of flowers and complementary colors to create a dynamic and visually appealing display. You can also add decorative elements such as decorative rocks or statues to enhance the overall look of the flower bed. Stones and succulents are another popular choice for garden decoration. Succulents are low maintenance plants and come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making them easy to incorporate into any garden design. Combine them with decorative stones or rocks to create a natural looking composition that adds texture and interest to your garden. Log compositions are a unique and rustic addition to any garden. Consider using logs of varying sizes and shapes to create a natural looking structure. Then fill the gaps with soil and plant small succulents or flowers for a pop of color. This type of decoration is perfect for creating a focal point in your garden or adding a touch of washme to your outdoor space. Cactus gardens are a great option for those who live in drier climates or prefer low maintenance plants. Choose a variety of cacti in different shapes and sizes to create a visually interesting display. Then add decorative rocks or sand to enhance to desert-like feel of the garden. When creating garden decorations such as flower beds, stones and succulents, log compositions, or cactus gardens, it's important to keep in mind some key design principles to ensure a successful and visually appealing result. One important principle is to consider the overall style and theme of your garden when selecting decorative elements. For example, if you have a modern garden design, you may want to opt for minimalist flower beds with clean lines and neutral colors, whereas a more rustic garden may benefit from low compositions or a cactus garden. Another principle to keep in mind is the importance of texture and contrast when selecting plants or decorative elements. Try to incorporate a mix of textures and colors to add depth and interest to your design. For example, you may choose to combine smooth stones with spiky cacti to create a visually striking composition. When selecting plants for your garden decorations, be sure to consider their maintenance needs and ensure they are suitable for your climate and soil conditions. Low maintenance plants such as succulents or cacti may be a better choice for those who do not have much time for energy to devote to garden upkeep. Thanks for watching.